after a very slow morning, as you could have seen. And for breakfast today, I'm having our healthy sourdough rye bread with homemade hummus, and it's on our beautiful Swedish winter plates. I'm also going to have a toast, sourdough toast with avocado. I'm making myself some hot cocoa with cinnamon for my morning drink. Everything is very comforting, as you can see, in this weather, in this season. Taking also some vitamin D3, as you have to in the northern hemisphere. You will not function without vitamin D. Doing my skincare. So I'm having some nourishing argan mist. It's almost finished. Also having the ordinary eye serum. My skin is very dry in winter. And finally, I bought it last autumn, is the brightening double cream from Ole Henriksen with vitamin C, and it's outstandingly good. And it smells of orange. I'm going to add another layer. So after this very slow and cozy morning, I'm going to work today. It's my working day. I'm going to take you along. We're going to hang out today. I'm going to show you lots of good food, what I'm up to. So some of you may know that I work as a translator for a company. So I translate their different advertisements and different slogans, and also lots of other stuff. I check the language, I do reviews, and today and January is quite busy. It wasn't actually that busy before Christmas or in autumn, but it's very busy now. But I try to take breaks, I do stuff around the house, clean the bathroom, do a lot of washing and stuff like that. Today I'm also going to have a meeting. I'm going to have some evaluation. We have they evaluate us as linguists and as workers twice a year, so that's a little bit stressful. You know, no one ever likes that, but it's been good so far, so I'm not too worried. And I have quite set time when I have to start and finish my work day. Unfortunately, it's not very flexible, but during the day it's very flexible. Like, I have lots of freedom, and I have my tasks that I need to do, and it's up to me how fast I do them, how I do them, when I do them, and so on, as long as they are done. But I'm quite organized, efficient. I don't have any problems in planning my days. I never really had. I hope you are having a nice day, following along mine, and subscribe. So I'm working. We have a good chair that my husband bought when we started working from home. I work usually Here in our room where we have our storage and home office for one of us at least. Sometimes I work in the living room when my husband works here. So it will be some hours and then I will take a break and do some things. Probably some exercise, some inhalations. So I also had a piece of this yummy chocolate. It's dark chocolate with butter, biscuit and orange with my orange. And I'm also making myself a green smoothie, having a small break, but it's very busy today. I'm adding green spinach, ginger, half a banana, water, very simple this time, not even milk, and a little bit of coconut oil to absorb the goodies. And I think you can see a little bit of my Christmas tree still up. There's a tradition in Poland that you can have the Christmas tree up until the 2nd of February. And you will probably watch this a few days after the 2nd of February. And I'm shooting this video in the end of January, even though you will watch this probably after the 2nd of February. But all the decorations are down, all the advent decorations are down. It's just the tree left and it's very cozy. I love it actually. It smells so nice and Quick update. My meeting went very well. They are pleased with me, so I'm happy about that. That's always good news. Pleased with me at work. So I'm going to drink that and then I'm going to do back exercises and exercises in general. I'm going to do back exercises and also a 10-minute workout before lunch. I'm actually going to order something in a nearby Italian restaurant. I'm going to go and pick it up. I'm going to treat myself. I'm in a good mood and they were happy with me at my work, so I'm doing a crazy back workout with bodybuilders.
Nick is back on the ground. Keeping it tight, guys. Pinching. You feel like every muscle squeeze is very important for these whole those shoulders off the ground. Squeezing those lats. Feel the pinch every rep. We're gonna palms up. This is not a hold, you're doing this for reps.
And now time for another favorite bodybuilder with a 10-minute total body workout. I already feel so much better with my back. I've been doing this back exercise for the last 3-4 days and the pain has subsided. I feel much better. I didn't shower or anything. I'm going to shower after work, so I'm quite sweaty. But this is going into the washing anyways. I'm going to the Italian restaurant to pick up some very nice pasta, Italian pasta. Cannot wait. I'm treating myself. Dzień dobry. This looks amazing, smells amazing. I have a Coke from the supermarket with some lemon. Yum! The storm is continuing. We had a little bit of sunshine during the day, but look at the snow. Hi again. It's 6 p.m. I finished work around half an hour ago. It was a busy day. I got a lot of done and a few things around the house which I didn't show as well. I'm going to do some inhalations now. I will actually add some more water. I'm boiling some water and I'm going to use propolis, which is a bee product, which is very, very good to clear out your sinuses, throat, lungs. You can also drink it. And I'm going to do some inhalations and relax for the rest of the evening. It was a good day today. Not every day is a good day, but today was a good day, which I am happy about. I finally had a shower. I'm using up the rest of my argan mist. I'm going to have a supper now. I think I will have coconut yogurt with honey and some herbal tea. And I'm going to relax and end off this video here. I'm using a firming natural night cream. Thank you very much for watching.